What is up, guys? Soccer64 here, and today we got a box of 1819 Premier. Let's do it. So, I actually forgot to case up your cards. Sorry. I will. Here, I'll case them up while I'm casing mine up.
What type is that? That's 1920 to 17.
This is no. This is 1819.
This is 19 point. This is 17, 18. The same color.
All right.
Why is that one silver?
Could you have the Gretzky signed tin?
No, it's
He's not on the cover.
Rip. It's Patrick Waugh.
Patrick Waugh signed it.
You can get them.
Oh, wait.
All right. So here's the pack.
That's a thick pack.
Decoys.
Decoy.
What I'm gonna do?
Open it behind the fence. That's smart. There's a decoy in there.
All right. First card is a Henry Jokiharju. Whoa, that's close. We've got a Henry Jokiharju rookie card, numbered 2/299.
That's sick.
Cool.
Cool. That's pretty basic.
All right. Next, we got a Blake Wheeler
Here comes the good cards. I already know.
base card out of 199. All right. The back card is of Jordan Kyrou, jersey card, rookie jersey card for St. Louis.
Sick.
Sick. I don't know. Do we go? All right, let's go with this one.
We've already seen the bottom card.
Okay, we got a Cooper Mahardy rookie
That's
patch.
Part of his name.
Yep, that's a sick patch on that card. It's 87 out of 249. How do you? Okay, I'll just leave that up.
That's pretty cool. I think that's from his name, like the little.
No, yeah, for sure.
All right, next card is a Evgeny Kuznetsov.
Cocaine Kuznetsov.
Premier Signatures. That's a nice card.
Wait, I was close.
Yeah, I heard you whisper. I think it's an Ovechkin auto. That's a nice card there.
That is cool. You also do have another auto, but
That's sick.
that's the cool.
And the final card
This card is
Garbage.
oh, it's not garbage. I can tell you that
is
much.
it Charlie McAvoy. All right, there we go.
Who is it?
Charlie McAvoy Mega Patches. Authentic game used Charlie McAvoy Premier Mega
That's
Patch.
probably the logo.
It's a 3-color.
Logo, Ethan.
Yeah, I know. That's a sick card too. Wow.
Sick.
Ultimate Galactic.
So yeah, guys, thanks for watching. Bye.